Ready?
Yep.
See this. It's not weight, huh? It's just talent.
That's a pretty good trick, man.
What just happened? Yeah, can we do that again, just to make sure?
Oh, man.
I don't know what I just witnessed.
Chris, you want to interview him? Okay, one more time.
Listen,
2 minutes and counting. One more time.
I will do different one. Maybe with the two breads.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
See, this must come out. Almost come out. So first you put water on it. It starts. It's not magic, it's just real. You know, by this start, huh? I believe I can survive. So just how I go broke, maybe I'm running somewhere in the town. Somebody want to see me out there. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm Winston.
Winston.
Yeah.
Winston, the water fountain.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Wow.
You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out, too.